I'm about to show you how you can create videos from images on Sora AI. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So I'm here at Sora by ChatGPT, and as you can see, those are the amazing videos this AI has just created. Those are videos generated from people and fully by AI. So let's say you have an image you want to convert into video. All you need to do is go right here, click this plus icon, and then choose an image from here. You can upload it from your device or choose from your Sora gallery. So if you go right here, you can also choose images generated by other people. Let's say I want to convert this to video. You can click here and then create video, and now you need to describe your video. So you can put a different aspect ratio, you can change the quality, the resolution, you can change the duration of the generated video, you can even set how many variations you want of that video, and then some presets if you want to use them. So let's say you want a specific pixel art style, you can do that by clicking right here, and that's it. Now I'm just gonna put, for example, let's say I want a monkey smashing a laptop. I could click right here and generate the video. But if you are using a free plan like I'm doing right now, if you click here, you will see this error saying that you don't have an active subscription because you need an upgraded plan if you want to generate videos with Sora. So if you are using the free plan, all you can do is generate images. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.